I welcome all of you. Thanks for coming. Now, आता तुमका आपल्याला म्हणता पाहिजे किती जाण येतो तुम्ही जाणा असताना की हायन सेरुला कोमनीदार त्यांना जर टुरिझम मिनिस्टर असताना हांवें केस घातलेली आणि हायकोर्टान सुटया निर्णय जालो की दॅट ही हॅज टेकन इट इलिगली. हो हायकोर्टाचो निर्णय तो सुप्रीम कोर्टान गेलो. सुप्रीम कोर्टान बॅक मारली. ती शॉपां आयजपासून थंय बंद आहात. ते तुम्ही पळयला चोरून रोडाचेर अजून पासून गव्हर्नमेंट तेजेर एक्शन घेना. तेजेर आमचे आता कंटेम्प्ट पिटिशन फायल करतले. त्या वेळार on to be exact 18/10/2014 an criminal complaint at the police station of Porvorim or against sitting tourism minister at that time Dilip Parulekar, attorney of the Komunidad Serula Peter Martins, along with one Pramod Parulekar who is the brother of Dilip Parulekar, and Mrs. Irene Sikera, administrator of Komunidad North Zone Mapsa. नाव आणखी कितें केलेलें की हांच्यांनी सगळ्यांनी कन्स्पायर करून कोमनाची जागा बेजबाबदारपणान इलिगली आपल्या फायद्या खातीर ती दिलेली आणि हे सिद्ध झाले. आता दिस इज नथिंग बट ब्रीच ऑफ पब्लिक ट्रस्ट. तुका जी पोझिशन जी आसा ते राखपाचें जी आसपाचें पोझिशन आहा ते तू काडटा आनी तू जाय ताका इकताय जाय ताका दिताय तुज्या फायद्याक लागून. दिस वॉज माय कंप्लेन. आता प्रोसिजर अशी आसा की आय कंप्लेन टू द पुलीस स्टेशन सिन्स तेंच्यांनी एक्शन घेवंक ना तेव्हा गिरीश that I inform the SP. That is the procedure. SP ने काय दखल घेतली ना म्हणून हांवें JMFC कडे ज्युडिशियल मॅजिस्ट्रेट फर्स्ट क्लास आणि कंप्लेंट केली अंडर 156(3) that this FIR should be registered. JMFC ने ऑर्डर पास केली that it should be FIR should be registered. आता गव्हर्नमेंट वयता इन अपील. सामान्य मनशाक गव्हर्नमेंट अपील वचना. तो मिनिस्टर न्हू तेन्ना तो अपील वयता इन सेशन्स कोर्ट. सेशन्स कोर्ट ऑर्डर स्ट्रायक डावन करिना. ऑर्डर बरोबर ना म्हणटा तो रिहियर म्हणून धाडटा पडटा. दॅट JMFC शूड रिहियर द मॅटर. तेजेर आमी गेले अपीलान भायर पडले आमचे अपील. बट थंयसर रिहियरिंग स्टार्ट जावपाचें आसलें इन JMFC. Government went to Dilip Parulekar went to High Court. They went to High Court to squash the order of the JMFC. Okay. Now, when we squash the order of the JMFC, we were also called. We opposed that. High Court held that the order of the session court परत धाडली पळय ती JMFC कडे रिहियर करपाक is not correct. The session court should decide whether it should be registered or not. Accordingly, the matter came up before the session court in Mapsa once again. As per the High Court order, ती पहिली ऑर्डर जी आहा तेणें परतून धाडली JMFC ते JMFC गरज ना. तुम्ही डिसाइड कर. Session court should decide. Over there, and at the High Court also, Advocate Abhijit Gosavi and assisted by Advocate Darshan Gosavi argued the case on the 4th or 5th of last month and convinced the High Court, the Sessions Court, that the order of the JMFC was correct and FIR has to be lodged. This whole procedure took 8 years, 8 months, 6 days. And finally, on the 9th, that's the session court has dismissed their application, which they were signed to make the JMFC order null and void, and upheld the JMFC order and directed that the FIR should be lodged. Now, when the FIR is lodged, why it is lodged? My demand is that FIR not only should be lodged, custodial interrogation is required of all these people, because there are a lot of lands that have gone. It's not only this land. This is very important. The Sirla Comunidad is this will open the floodgates, but provided proper investigation goes on. And the proper investigation can happen when FIR is registered. They will get prima facie evidence, because the High Court itself has said that the land was illegally taken and therefore the land should be returned to them. That is a High Court order that nobody can supersede. That is not challenged till today, and it is unchallengeable. Therefore, though it took 8 years, I persevered this matter, facing a lot of political and legal hurdles. 8 years to get an order, because he is a minister, and he belongs today. He is the vice president of the BJP. सामान्य मनुष्याचेर आताच कंप्लेंट कशी आताच FIR रजिस्टर जाता. ताका 8 वर्सां जाली म्हाका कोर्टाची ऑर्डर हाडपाक. So what I would like to say that though म्हणटात की justice is not there, the wheels of justice are slow but sure, and the arms of the law are very long. Only problem was I had to persevere, and I persevered it.